If I click any link of this application, you can see that the whole browser is refreshing. If I click new pin, the whole browser is refreshing, and if I search anything, the browser is still refreshing. Let's click new pin and try to submit this form. Let's give title, description, and select an image. If I submit this form, the whole browser is refreshing. You can see that. Even if I delete this pin, the browser refreshing. If I click backward and forward button, the results are the same. So let's turn this application into a single page application within 2 minutes. First of all, need to create a folder, spa. You can give this name and place all my jQuery plugin source file here. Let's open in Explorer, go to this directory. Here need to place my plugin source files. Need to find out my plugin source, spa. These are the files. Let's copy all this file, paste it here. So this file you will get from this course. Let's add few functionality in the middleware. App.use and the callback function. This function will work in every time before going to a function. So this will be invoked every time. Next, so that it can pass after executing. So here I am declaring that local's global variable Ajax. This can be accessed from anywhere, and the Ajax I am specifying request.xasr. The if true or false, that means if Ajax request, then true, otherwise false. And here I am specifying response set header to set the header location, and the header name is location and the value is URL. Go to layout.ajax file. Here I am writing few if else condition. Here if Ajax we will get this value from the server, then do something, and else to show the rest of the content. Percentage and the closing tag, closing bracket, sorry. So cut this portion and paste it at the end of this file. Now copy, wrap this render body section with div tag and give an ID, Tawfiq Ilahi. Here we need to specify, first of all, let's copy this render body and place it inside if condition. if Ajax request, only that time the render body section will be invoked, and if not, then rest of the HTML tag element will be invoked. Let's copy this script and link section. Here this is jQuery Slim. We need jQuery plugin. This is jQuery CDN. Need to copy this portion and paste it here. Just replace it. Let's copy this portion, script and link, and paste it at the bottom of this div. Place it here. Here we need to specify my plugin jQuery file. The plugin here is pa slash Tawfiq Ilahi ispa.js. Let's copy this portion of the source file and place it inside href, and the extension will be .css. This is the CSS file. Let's write jQuery code. This is the jQuery document ready state. Here we need to call the function of this plugin. So copy this ID, and this ID selector we need to specify with the function of my plugin. So my function is Tawfiq ispa. That's it. So we are done. This will be invoked from this plugin. Let's see the demo. Refresh. Okay, first of all need to copy this entire script and place it here, because integrity will not work with this version and crossword is in anonymous. Okay, we are done. Let's refresh the whole page. Now if I click any link, you can see that only partial section is updating and the URL is updating also. If I search, this is working as well. Let's submit this form. Description, choose image. If I submit this form, only partial portion is updating. If I delete, only partial portion updated. If I click new pin, save pins, everything is working. If I click backward and forward button, the render section the updating as well, and the URL portion is updating correctly. So this is the single page application and everything is fine.